Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2006 Cadillac XLR. Now, before I get started, this is an auction car. It's not being sold. It's just going straight to auction. So it's kind of rough around the edges. But overall, this is probably one of the last chances I'll get to drive one, at least soon. And it's in pretty good shape for what it is. 4.6 liter North Star V8. This is essentially Cadillac's Corvette. I've always said that the early 2000s were a time of let's make everything classic, retro modern. PT Cruiser, Prowler, Crossfire, and this car is one of those vehicles. Retractable hardtop, down into the platform. And it smells like early GM, early 2000s GM. All right. Reverse, no backup camera. Let's go for a drive. It's got a little belt squeal. 77,773 miles on it. Oh, yes. This thing's got get up and go. Wow. I've driven this thing before, but not for an extended amount of time. Suspension's a little bouncy. Like I said, this car is not perfect, to say the least. It's rough around the edges, but the bare bones of the car are here still. And it's low mileage for an 06. Doing the appraisal on this thing, it was so difficult to put a value on it, because retail wise they're anywhere from 19 to 20,000, 25. Auction, there was one result. That was it. Nationwide, one result at auction. Yeah, so I basically took a shot in the dark on this one, and I'm hoping it pays off. Or at least to break even on this thing. But once we detail it, get it looking good, it should be pretty nice. Honk. For those of you still watching this video, I'll let you in on a little secret. This car's had 6 owners, it's had 6 accidents, and it was a lemon law buyback. When I say this car is an Ed Bolian special, it's an Ed Bolian special. But shh, that secret stays between us. Although anybody at the auction who runs an auto check or a Carfax is gonna know. So it's not really much of a secret. You know, I gotta say, this specific example is not perfect, but to get the bare feel of what it's like to drive one of these, this thing was cool. It still is cool. I loved this era of let's make everything retro modern. Or, retro mod? It's not a retro mod. Well, it sort of is. You know, it's just, this harks back to like the 50s and 60s. Cool roadsters. Stuff like this doesn't get made anymore. And I don't foresee anything like it coming in the near future. Except maybe, you know, now that we have electric, and electric platforms are so versatile. And you know what? We ended this video with 77,777 miles. So it's a good milestone to end on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.